your butterflies, you can use either card or paper. I have gone for a light coloured card. I just chose a light colour so that all my lovely paints would show up. Before you do any painting, the first thing you need to do is fold your piece of card or paper in half so you already have a folding line. Now butterflies are symmetrical, so we are going to fold ours over at the end to make them symmetrical. Now all you need to do is just get splotting. Doesn't matter what you do. It's a great activity for just letting the creativity flow. Doesn't matter where you put them, what you put them, how many different colours, whether you squiggle them all together. When you are happy with your creation, add a bit of green to mine to make it look even nicer. Then all you're going to do, I think I've covered every bit there. All you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half and you're going to rub it together so that both sides of the paper will be exactly the same. And this is going to be the butterfly's wings. So, open up. Ooh, I have some very fancy butterfly wings. Now we just need to let that dry. Whilst it's drying with my piece of paper in half, I am now just going to sketch the shape of my butterfly wings. So I'm going to start about here. Round. And there. Okay, so that's what my butterfly wings are going to look like. And you need to cut it out whilst it's in half as well, so that both sides are exactly the same. Let's see what they look like. There we go. So those are my butterfly's wings. Whilst I'm waiting for my butterfly to dry, I have cut out another piece of paper that is the right length to go in the middle. And I've just drawn the bottom and head on, and I'll cut that out now. There we go. One middle done. Now we're just going to wait for it to dry a little bit longer and add some more detail. I have then decorated my butterfly's face. I've used 2 googly eyes, a pen to do the mouth, and then I just sellotaped some pipe cleaners onto the back. If you don't have pipe cleaners and googly eyes, it's not a problem. You can just draw the eyes on, and you could just use another piece of paper or some straws for your antennae. So my butterfly is starting to come together. Once your butterfly wings are dry, then you can start decorating. I've got all sorts of different things here, pom-poms, stickers, felt tips. The key thing to remember is that butterfly's wings are supposed to be symmetrical, so whatever you do on one side, try and do the same on the other. Voila, there it is, my finished butterfly with lots of extra added detail.